if there is no virgin in the whole world, be rest assured that we have one at least in Oshogbo. So.
Ní àtètèkọ́ṣe ni ìtàn ti wà, ìtàn sì wà pẹ̀lú àwọn tó mọ̀tàn. Báwo la wá ṣe lè mọ ìtàn Yorùbá gidi tí a kò ní fi àdàlú ẹ̀rọ ayélujára mọ̀? Nítorí ìdí èyí la ṣe dá ìkànnì sílẹ̀ sí orí ẹ̀rọ YouTube láti wá ìtàn òtítọ́ lọ sí orísun rẹ̀. Tó bá jẹ́ pé Yorùbá gidi ni ẹ̀yin, ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí Geography. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni orúkọ tèmi sì ni Joe Adétọ́nà. Ẹ dákun, ẹ bá mi subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kí ẹ sì bá wa share pẹ̀lú àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ yín tí ó jẹ́ Yorùbá kí ìtàn òtítọ́ má bàa parun. Oshogbo ti wà láti ìgbà tí ayé ti wà, ṣùgbọ́n ìtàn rẹ̀ tí a wá rí bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní nǹkan bíi 600 years ago. Kí ni ìtumọ̀ Oshogbo? Níbo ni wọ́n ti wá? Àti wípé báwo ni wọ́n ṣe débí? Àwọn ìbéèrè wọ̀nyí ni a wà lọ sí orísun rẹ̀ tí a mọ̀ sí Osun-Osogbo Sacred Grove. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìlú Oshogbo. Oshogbo ní ibi tí a wà yìí. Ibi tí wọ́n pè ní Oshogbo àkọ́kọ́, Oshogbo pàtàkì, ibẹ̀ ní ibi tí a wà yìí. Ìtàn àwọn ará Oshogbo bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ìpọ̀lẹ́ òmu. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọba mẹ́jọ sì ti jẹ kó tó kan ọba Ọláróyè. Ní ìgbà ayé ọba Ọláróyè ní ìpọ̀lẹ́ òmu, ikú ò kí bí ikú, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹyẹ ò kí bí ẹyẹ. Òjò rọ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni ìjì ò jà. Ó sú àwọn ará ìpọ̀lẹ́ òmu ní ìgbà náà nítorí èrè oko wọn ò so, iṣu ò ta, bẹ́ẹ̀ làgbàdo ò gbó. Ewúrẹ́ kú, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọmọ ènìyàn gan ò sì gbádùn. Ṣùgbọ́n ta ló fẹ́ gbéná wojú ọba? Ọba ò lè sùn, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò lè wo nítorí ìlú kò fara rọ. Ó sì fẹ́ ìyípadà tó yá kánkán. Fún ìdí èyí, ọba ránṣẹ́ pé awo, wọ́n sì gbé Ifá janlẹ̀. Ifá sì wí fún wọn pé kí wọ́n kúrò ní ìpọ̀lẹ́ òmu. Nígbà yìí ni ọba wá ránṣẹ́ pé olórí àwọn ọdẹ Tìmílẹ́yìn àti àwọn ọdẹ tó kù láti wá ibi tí omi àbí ilẹ̀ ti tutù lọ. Àwọn ọdẹ wọ̀jù, kò pẹ́ kò jìnnà ni wọ́n ṣàwárí odò Ọ̀ṣun.
When he got here, he saw the flowing of river. Then at ìpọ̀lẹ́ òmu there was total drought. There was no water, no rainfall. So it was so surprised to find water. When he gets here, he was so happy. He did everything he can do. He went back to ìpọ̀lẹ́ òmu to go and inform the cabinet. Then in Yoruba land, you cannot do anything on your own like now. So, and the cabinet himself must consult the oracle. So they consulted the oracle. The oracle told them that they should move out of ìpọ̀lẹ́ òmu to where they found the movement of the water. So that was how they got here. Their first settlement was known as Lakokan, Ibitan Kokokan. So they have been residing at Lakokan. But in Yoruba land, anything or nothing, you must consult the oracle 5 days in interval. So there was a day they consulted the oracle. And the oracle told them that there is a better place than the place they are, that they should move forward. So that was how they got here. So when they got here, they saw a big river. They were so happy. They made chieftains among themselves. The Kabiyesi from ìpọ̀lẹ́ òmu, they titled him Gbadewolu Ọba Olaroye Gbadewolu. So they begin to live together peacefully. But there was a day the men were playing at the back of the river while the women are busy in search of cooking wood to prepare their food. A tree fell into the river and a voice came out. Another voice followed. Appeasing to the spirits. So the name Oshogbo was given to them by the spirits. By the goddess herself. It was the goddess that first called them Oshogbo. So they need to send. So the origin of your Kampala is from Oshogbo, and the person that started it is Oshun goddess herself. So they sent for the oracle immediately. Who is speaking in the river? This oracle told them that surely there is a spirit in the river, and truly she is major in Daime. So what are we going to do? Say you are living here because you have been disturbing the spirits. The time she's sleeping, you people are busy cooking. You might be smoking. You are disturbing. You might be shouting. So what are we going to do? The oracle told them that they should move out of that place And they have their first palace. I think you've seen the first palace.
Yes.
They have already had their first palace. So the oracle said they should move out of that place.
Okay, I think. Ṣé bó ṣe wà látìgbà yẹn náà ni? Ẹ kú ṣọ́.
And they should move very close to a place that will be easier for them to carry their atonement every year. So the oracle told them that they should move out of here and they should look for a very close place that will be easier for them to bring their atonement every year. That was how they spread around here. So see that place that guy is.
Okay, yes.
That is the second palace. The first market is along this place.
Okay.
So they came out of here, they spread around here. And this place as it is more than 75 hectares of land. We have, to tell you that it's a town, we have more than 65 hectares at the Buba zone. So it was the time the population began to emerge. They move out of here to Oshogbo. So when you are out of here, at the gates you get to Oshogbo.
Okay.
So the time they were,
this is the main Oshogbo.
So the time they were living here, Osun told them that they should be coming yearly, and the person to carry the atonement should be a female. She should be a virgin. She should be a princess. So if there is no virgin in the whole world, be rest assured that we have one at least in Oshogbo. So that was what led to Osun Festival being celebrated every year.
Ní ìgbà tí ogun Fúlàní dé Oshogbo, Ọ̀ṣun fúnra rẹ̀ dìde gẹ́gẹ́ bí arẹwà obìnrin tí ó jẹ́. Ó sì bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ta oúnjẹ fún àwọn Fúlàní. Wọ́n jẹ àmàlà pẹ̀lú ọbẹ̀ gbẹ̀gìrì. Èmi ò sì lè dìde kúrò níbi tí ó ti jẹ àmàlà. Èmi ò lè dágun ẹṣin rẹ̀. Báyìí ni ogun Fúlàní ṣe wọlẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó sì parí sí ìlú Oshogbo. Ìdí nìyí tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọba ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá máa ń sá lọ sí Oshogbo tí wàhálà bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú tí wọ́n jọba lé lórí. Nítorí pé Oshogbo wà lára ìlú ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tí ogun ò kórí. Ìyá Afẹ́lá sì wà lára àwọn tí ó sá wá sí ìlú Oshogbo fún ààbò nígbà ayé rẹ̀. Ẹ́písòdù 3 ni a máa fi Oshogbo ṣe nítorí pé ìtàn ṣùpọ̀ tí a fẹ́ sọ nípa ìlú Oshogbo. Ẹ bá wa subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kẹ̀sì like ẹ nítorí pé láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà a máa upload ẹ́písòdù 2 a sì ní fẹ́ kí ẹ gbégbó rẹ̀. Kò ní jù báyìí lọ lónìí fún ìtàn Oshogbo. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé Yorùbá pọ́nbélé ni wá lórí ìkànnì yìí. A máa ń rán létí ibi tá a ti ń bọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ojúlówó Yorùbá. A máa ń rán létí ibi tá a dé, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ibi tí a sì ń lọ. Kí ìtàn Yorùbá ògidì má parun ní ìdí tá a fi dá ìkànnì sílẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kó tó dìgbà míì, ẹ má gbàgbé láti fẹ́ràn ara yín. Ó dàbọ̀.